Heidi ho, friends and neighbors. This is your friendly neighborhood Jiggly, and we have just stumbled on a flock, a herd, whatever you call a whole bunch of red-winged blackbirds all together. Right out here in front of us. I'm going to see how close I can get before I scare them off. If you look at them, you'll notice right away why they call them a red-winged blackbird. It's an all-black bird with a red stripe on its wings. I feel like a tiger stalking its prey. Alright. So anyway, we're out here at the Hope Furnace in Zaleski State Forest, spending the weekend out here in a cabin. And while we were checking out the history, we stumbled on this I know crows is a murder of red-winged blackbirds. Just because it sounds cool.
Massacre.
A massacre, that's what they are. This is a massacre of red-winged blackbirds. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
6 in total.
6 in total.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, still 6.
Now, unfortunately, the ground where we're at is really swampy. So this is about the closest I'm going to be able to get to them. Well, that's kind of cool. You can really see the red in their wings when they fly. And that fat one just made that noise.
That one in the back, and earlier you could see his red wing.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the furnace.
Back to the furnace. They're looking for iron slag, which you can find on the ground here, because that's what they used to do here. They used to burn coal to melt iron ore into ingots. We also found lots of melted glass. I don't know that they ever used it for melting glass, but I suppose it's possible.
I don't know why, but there's silver mud here.
That is oil in the mud coming up when you step. It's kind of like having a rainbow-colored puddle. Now, this creek, okay, that is the trailhead for the backpack trail. That's why those cars are parked over there. But anyway, there's a little creek over here that we're going to go look at that feeds into Lake Hope. And it seems like they've got the dam at Lake Hope closed, causing the creek to be high, which is causing this little field to be wet, and it's wet all the way back. But let's go check out this creek, because, you know.
This is this weird little makeshift bridge.
Yeah, there's the bridge over the River Kwai. Check that out. Run, Forrest, run! Another shot of the furnace. Alright. And basically, I want to see if there's anything catchable in this here creek before I go breaking out the fishing pole. Wow. That is wild. Look at that.
If you allow me to take over, I gotta explore down there.
No, you're not going in there.
Oh, okay, fine.
Sorry. Oh, it's really shallow.
Ooh, what's this? Very
Coal. That is a piece of anthracite coal that you just found.
Don't know what that is.
It's
More mud.
It's coal.
It's coal.
Just coal.
Coal.
That's a fancy name for coal.
We got water striders here. Not too deep.
It's not. Yeah, it's really shallow. I wouldn't get too much closer. I don't see any signs of fish.
No signs of fish. Not too deep. Pretty
Hey, Kasich vacuums. It's I don't know.
It's not very deep. Very clear.
That must be where the trail comes out there. Got a couple guys over here too.
Alright, I'm gonna try my best to venture down this way.
Try not to fall in.
Be on the ground first.
Well, this is clay and sand mixed is what this is.
So it shouldn't be like quicksand, right?
No, you're fine.
'Cause I remember
And if you do start sliding in, I'm right behind you.
Because like I remember that we were fishing at that other place and we got quicksand. Killed a spider. Pretty happy about that.
Huh.
Ah, here we have the anomaly known as Death Tree. This is
Damn.
Death Tree.
Death tree?
Death Tree.
Deathicus triacus.
You can see why it's called Death Tree by the amount of death thorns.
I want to snap one off and beat you with it. Yeah, I figured this little creek could be just teeming with fish. But
We
nothing.
found many Death Tree in our past explorations.
Well, poo. She's behind you.
Looks like the water's getting deeper the further down you go.
Which is weird because the lake's that way.
Yeah. I'm just gonna carefully slide by Mr. Death Tree here.
Alright, well, you slide by the death tree.
Luckily, this is made out of metal.
Yeah, you're fine. It's a cool looking little creek.
Mm-hmm.
No evidence of any fishies at all. Just surprising. Looks a little deeper right here. Let me peek over here.
I don't see movement at all anywhere.
Nope.